Good morning. I think it's 9 a.m. and I'm flying out later at 3. The weather's kind of weird, so I hope it doesn't get delayed. I have mixed feelings about it. I'm really excited though, because I'm almost done working for the year. Since I arrived here. It's September 11th and it's almost 7 p.m. so there's still light. Hello from my little room here. Yeah, I went to Brooklyn and met up with a friend, and it's my first time going thrift shopping. I didn't have any footage because I was super enjoying it. So far it's been great. School starts next week, so I'm still fixing around a lot of things here and working on stuff that I haven't finished in Manila. So hopefully I get to explore more of the city while I'm in school and get to go around more and check out whatever I need to do here while I'm here. It's a Saturday and I'm going to do post office work today because I'm too lazy to get out of the city. Post office. I'm going to Central Park today and I'm going to shop for art supplies for school. Can't believe I'm actually saying that I'm gonna shop for school. Like, I have a valid reason now to shop for art stuff. park is kinda more like a hiking place. I mean, it's all green. And I've been climbing up and down stairs and slopes and things, so I don't know where I'm going. It's September 21st. I just came from a run. It's my first time running here around the village, and OMG, I thought to myself, how come I've never run before or jogged? It's something that I really wanted to do for so long, but I can't run in Manila because the streets are hard to run, especially in our area. So I feel very refreshed after my first day, and I'm having Greek yogurt, peanut butter, and banana, and like iced coffee to cool down. So it was kind of cold outside, but you know, when you run, of course, you sweat. So yeah, it was a good run. I think I just ran for 2 kilometers, but you know, it's a start. So we'll see how this will turn out in 4 months. Since I'm home today, I'm gonna show you some of the things inside my room. This is my small makeup stash. I didn't bring a lot, but I did buy new ones, like this Fenty, some lip and cheek tint, makeup. I don't wear a lot, so I guess these will do. I have my toolkit here for art materials I need for school. I also got erasers because they're so cute. And this really cute ampersand paperweight. This is my basket. It has a lot of stuff, from notebooks to books and journaling tools to my photos, Instax photos, my packing list, and I bought fake flowers from Michael's to, you know, add some detail to it. This is my wall in progress. It has a phrenology poster that I got from Blick, and then I have this decal. Thanks then for giving it to me, from Bando. Some Instax photos, my Van Gogh postcard, and some other things that I'm still going to fill up. I collect scarves, so they're happily displayed here. I have one more that's in my luggage. This is my closet, which has mostly fall clothing, which I haven't worn, and I just got some of them from the laundry because I washed my jeans last night. So this is my food stash. Well, it kinda is. I have some gummies, sandwiches, biscuits in case I go hungry and I bring some for school. This is my current table while I wait for my folding table. It's like a school chair. So I'm 10 times more productive here, so I guess that's okay. So that's a sneak preview of how September is so far. First week of school just started this week, so I hope to share more about that soon because I haven't really had any output yet, and it was really more of an orientation for both classes, and I have 2 more classes next week, so I have 4 classes in total. So I hope to talk about that more and share more about it soon. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you have any comments or questions, you can always leave them down below. Bye!